Hello, Pamela. Congratulations on retirement. My goodness, you've worked so hard for this moment. Super excited for your new adventures. Think of all the things you can do that you weren't able to do while you were a working woman. How exciting. Selfishly, I have to say I'm really, really sad. Northern Lights is going to miss you terribly. I am personally going to miss you terribly. I love working with you, Pam. I love partnering with you. You are funny. You are energetic. You're so much fun to be around. I truly am going to miss you. There's a part of my heart that is empty because I'm really going to miss working with you. I love it. I do have a little song for you. I'm going to play my guitar and sing a little song for you in celebration of retirement, and I hope that you have had the time of your life. Another turning point, a fork stuck in the road. Time grabs you by the wrist, directs you where to go. So make the best of this test and don't ask why. It's not a question but a lesson learned in time. It's something unpredictable, but in the end it's right. I hope you had the time of your life. I hope you had the time of your life. I've had the time of my life partnering with you. Love you.